Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. In the high-stakes realm of aircraft recovery, the crashed, damaged, and disabled aircraft recovery, CDDAR team stands at the forefront of an extraordinary challenge. Tasked with the daunting responsibility of swiftly transforming chaos into order, this elite team is entrusted with three pivotal objectives: leadership, control, and precision. A rigorous training regimen awaits them, equipping these professionals to navigate the unpredictable terrain of aircraft recovery.
We show the rotor kind of rock a little bit.
Within this immersive CDDAR course, intricately designed scenarios unravel, pushing participants to their limits in a complex environment.
The scenario that we wrote up for this one would be like a real-world scenario where it landed and then departed the runway, all three landing gears buried in the mud.
Safety, equipment management, and cutting-edge recovery techniques form the backbone of their education. As the linchpin between calamity and restoration, the CDDAR team assumes the critical roles of clearing runways with unparalleled efficiency, mitigating secondary damages, and safeguarding invaluable investigative evidence. This course isn't a mere academic exercise. It's a hand-on journey where students operate equipment, rig intricate setups, and tow actual aircraft.
That's good.
Amidst the hands-on challenges, a simulated crash site beckons, serving as the ultimate proving ground.
You saw the turfer right during that training day?
Yeah.
And that one's just a push-pull type, basically.
Biannually, cohorts of 40 students each have the privilege of embarking on this transformative odyssey. Emerging as leaders ready to steer the most precarious of situations with unwavering expertise. Within the vast expanse of aircraft boneyard, CDDAR training takes on new dimensions. This distinctive program extends its reach to active duty personnel, guardsmen, and reservists, offering them a systematic roadmap for mastering the intricacies of aircraft recovery operations.
This is all training that helps us add to our team pool, and they can use these when they go perhaps on a deployment or off base, that these methods can be used also for other aircraft recovery.
At the heart of the CDDAR program lies a fundamental mission: rapid restoration of runways involved in aviation mishaps to full operational status. Armed with compressors, gauged manifolds, hoses, and pneumatic bags, they immerse themselves in a world where the line between simulation and reality blurs. Their task is to emulate the intricate process of lifting an F-16D Fighting Falcon with a compromised landing gear. This hands-on approach not only hones their skills, but also forges a profound connection between theory and practice, setting the stage for their vital role in aircraft recovery operations. Embarking on a journey through the inner workings of the CDDAR team's operations unveils a remarkable feat of strength and precision. Towing heavy aircraft like C-17 Globemaster III. It's a dance of shackles and gears, where skilled workers orchestrate the intricate connection between massive machines and sheer human ingenuity. With meticulous care, landing gear shackles are deftly attached. Employing a strategy that capitalizes on the aircraft's structure, two composite landing gears are harnessed in unison, creating a robust anchor point. As the stage is set, a purpose-built vehicle takes the lead, summoning nearly 10,000 pounds of force into action. Colossal aircraft stirs, its inertia challenged by the unyielding determination of the CDDAR team. The CDDAR team facility is a realm where cutting-edge equipment takes center stage. For instance, the mighty KC-46A Pegasus is grappling with landing gear issues. When faced with this behemoth, the CDDAR team unleashes an impressive arsenal to lift and restore this colossal aircraft. Powered by compressed air, crash bags become the unsung heroes as they're strategically placed beneath the aircraft's wings and various lifting anchor points. In situations like aircraft testing, certification processes, and specialized cases where aircraft find themselves damaged and non-functional, the CDDAR team takes the lead. In these extraordinary circumstances, their team seamlessly integrates another marvel of aviation, the CH-53K King Stallion helicopter. This aerial powerhouse becomes a bridge between adversity and restoration, lifting these aircraft with utmost care and precision. CH-53K, hailed as the heavyweight champion of aerial lifting, holds the title of King of Heavy Lift for a good reason. With an astonishing capability to hoist a remarkable 36,000 pounds of external weight, It redefines the boundaries of aviation might. Beyond solid ground, the CDDAR team faces fresh challenges, recovering aircraft from water. Imagine it as a synchronized dance where the police, Coast Guard, and fire department each play crucial roles. Their mission is to recover aircraft from the water. They often use a crane mounted on a ship to lift the crashed aircraft out of the water. CDDAR is vital in their teamwork, using their skills to ensure success. Helicopters emerge as vital tools, especially in the context of sea-based operations. The U.S. Navy itself orchestrates similar endeavors in the event of aircraft crashes over the ocean. The story unfolds with MH-60S Seahawk helicopters taking the lead, tirelessly engaging in search efforts. A poignant example comes from the aftermath of the crash of two FA-18 Hornets on September 12th. In these critical operations, the contribution of Navy divers emerges as pivotal. These skilled professionals take center stage, diving into the depths to locate and secure crashed aircraft submerged beneath the waves. Their mission was to meticulously fasten the aircraft in preparation for recovery from the sea's embrace. The significance of Navy divers and salvage teams runs deep in the United States, reflecting a profound historical backdrop. The 75th commemoration of the Japanese attacks on Pearl Harbor and other U.S. military installations on Oahu serves as an occasion to honor the bravery, service, and sacrifices of the military personnel who were present during those critical moments. Among these heroes were the Navy divers and salvage teams, who stood resilient in the aftermath of the Pearl Harbor attack. Following the devastation, Navy divers undertook their most formidable dive and salvage operations yet. Spanning through 1942 through part of 1943, these divers worked tirelessly to salvage destroyers, supply ships, and other severely damaged vessels. In the intricate tapestry of aviation recovery and search operations, the CDDAR team and its collaborators stand as beacons of dedication and ingenuity. From land to water, their synchronized efforts exemplify the power of teamwork and expertise. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.